Hello, thank you for your interest in HUA CAN Stationery Company Limited. As the owner, I am so pleasure to show you around our production facilities, product manufacturing process and highlight our key strengths. We are a professional stationery factory covers an area of approximately 18,000 square meters in Yiwu City, China. As you know, Yiwu is a global famous city. There is largest marketplace in existence, selling literally everything you could ever imagine. Growing up with Yiwu, our factory served over 30,000 clients. We are dedicated to crafting premium products made by raw PP polypropylene material, such as Expending folder, ID card holder, clear data holder, screen file clear holder, to O-ring file, zipper bag, and so on. We have 23 fully automated production lines operating around the clock, ensuring daily output of 2 million units. For automatic plastic film blowing machine and smart manufacturing technologies ensure efficiency and precision for samples 7 days, finished products delivery 30 days, and the minimum order quantity as low as 5,000 pieces. All materials undergo strict quality inspection and only those that meet our standards are used in production. While our automated equipment ensures zero error operations for consistent product quality. There are dedicated personnel responsible for inspecting each critical stage to ensure that every component meets the highest standards. Strictly following the ISO 9001 quality management system, REACH and ROHS standards, our products are waterproof and 100% recyclable. Our production line is highly flexible, enabling quickly adaptation to customized requirements, whether adjusting specifications or implementing special processes, all without compromising quality, such as specific size, Pantone color matching and multi-technique branding, hot stamping, UV printing, embossing. Our packaging design not only considers the need to protect the products, but also focuses on environmental friendliness. Each item is carefully packaged to ensure safe delivery to its destination. Our wholesale prices are very competitive, especially for customers purchasing in large quantities. For new customers, we can set the minimum order quantity at 100 pieces to help you test the market response. We can provide packages of Amazon FBA prep, accepting third organization quality inspection.